guys and welcome to back Shreyashi Singh and updated face tutorial. Today we are focusing on drawing a front view of the face, but the method which I'll be showing you could be easily updated and both side view. If you're not sure yet if you want to draw faces from memory, you should definitely search up some references. But I think the best reference is just you. Just take a picture of yourself or try looking at yourself in the mirror and just draw what you say. It's just so simple. And just last thing before we jump into this video, this tutorial is meant to show you the way I draw faces in my style, so please don't take it as it is the only right method to do it. I'm sure that there is plenty of other ways of drawing tutorial, but this one is just the easiest and fastest one for me. Okay, so let's get started. I'm starting with a normal pencil and I'm gonna sketch out a circle which is gonna be the base form for the elements. And here I'm gonna add the chopped edges and say I'm connected to the circle and it just draw. And once you're happy with the initial sketch and the placement of all features on it, we're gonna add a bit more details in this sketch. And it's the time to use your pencil very lightly, because now I draw her hair. Use more lightly and more. I thought that it looked like a bit of wavy face. And from this point I started draw her neck. Draw the hair in this way. It looks very wavy.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네, 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야. 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy.
So now I'm coming to the eyes and I'm going to draw a mine and almond shape. But here is the time when you are draw your face's eyes in the shape. You want like more rounded or smaller or longer, etc. So here I draw only eyelashes. And eyebrows very lightly. Then her nose. Like this. And just I'm starting to draw her lips.
첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. 시간
So once again I give it a finish touch with my pencil.
널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. I'm going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸. I'm going crazy. 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게.
Just I get started to draw some strokes like in her. Because of it, it looks very wavy here.